Introducing aPriori.
This is just a very quick overview of what it is that our team does. 60% of our requests are actually coming from engineering now. I think if you had asked me a few years ago, that would have been more like 90% coming from sourcing and supply chain. So that certainly has changed quite a bit, and I would argue for the better. But we have a central request form coming in from all over the globe. It fills up our workspaces every single day. We get these requests on in and we handle them in a very traditional manner, putting them into our project tracker. So this is all to say there's nothing, I would say, new here that you probably aren't already aware of or haven't already done at your company. So this is still a very traditional point of view of looking at aPriori, and then plus should cost and value engineering in general. What about benefits? I mean, it doesn't really mean much if you don't get anything out of it. And I think Stephanie did a great job of showing overall what aPriori has been bringing to all sorts of companies. But from Carrier in general, $21 million in discovered value that we've harvested out of our businesses this year. And because of that, we're able to invest that back into our businesses and empower them to do even more innovation. And then, of course, design to value events. This is relatively new to us, certainly this year, but me and the team, we go around the world to different factories, different research and design sites. So that way we actually are on the ground and we actually coach the users. We look at a product, tear it down, and try to actually create a new value stream going into the next year for these teams to know what to go after. Now, how does aPriori fit into that? Well, aPriori is the tool that we use to validate these ideas. It's not enough anymore just to come up with an idea. You have to actually have a real idea that's validated, and that's where aPriori has been really key for us. And then, of course, as I said earlier, 125 users worldwide. We are approaching, our upper limit as far as users go, and that's kind of what you would want. You don't want a lot of empty seats.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.